watching this video and you're not at home, please just go home already and stay there. So this was my today's PSA. Since I posted my last video, a lot of things have changed, but not only here in the US but also all around the world with the global pandemic going on. I hope everyone stays safe and healthy. Wash your hands please and stay at home. So just a quick update before I go into the video. All my classes are online now until the end of the semester. I'm stuck here in New York. Some of you may say, oh, but why are you complaining? It's New York City. But I'll say, wait, I'm far away from my family and I cannot see my friends either because we're all sitting at home. So yeah, there is a lot going on, but I don't want this video to be too pessimistic. I'll try to keep it optimistic. So that's why I came up with an idea. Since we're all staying at home, you kind of need that like normal element in your life now more than ever, I think. So I came up with a short tutorial that you can do if you have online classes or you work from home and you want to feel as in you're like still at school, like sitting in the classroom or in the office. So I put together like a quick makeup look you can do at home, or you can just sit around your house wearing makeup, because why not, right? So let's get started. Just forgot to show you what I used. So it's this one, a BB cream actually from Misha. It's shade 21, because as you can see I'm pale, so this is what I use because I don't need medium coverage since I'm sitting at home. And I'm gonna use a bit of concealer to cover up the pimples that I have on my face. My face has been breaking out so bad this past few days, but that kind of makes sense because, you know, with this whole situation that we all are facing right now, it hasn't been easy on my skin. But I've been trying to relax, be more relaxed, because I know everything will be okay and we'll all go through this and we'll all are gonna be fine in the end. Okay, so I put this from Say, I think you say it, Say Cosmetics. It's shade 1.25. I like this concealer because it gives good coverage. It covers the bags under my eyes. Oh my god, I can't even speak anymore. It's Monday and I have been inside since Friday morning. So yeah, you can understand why I'm not able to speak anymore. With a bit more here on my chin because here I'm breaking out pretty bad. And it's also that time of the month for me. So global pandemic and this, yeah, are not going well together for my skin. Fill in my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this from Innisfree. It's shade 1. It's called Bye. And it comes with this mini brush, if I can open it. So it's this one with this you use to like fill in your brows, and this you like brush your brow. This shade, the pretty light one, but hang on, I don't know if I can do this while holding my mirror. Let's see. eyebrows. And now I'm just thinking if I should do blush or not, because I'm not gonna apply setting powder since I'm not leaving my house. Oh, and I haven't applied eyeshadow either. Sorry, I'm all over the place. But apply eyeshadow, I should go with like a more natural color. Maybe the one from Clio. So this one, so it's like a light brown. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my eyelid and that's it. I'm not doing like any other colors. Apply the eyeshadow using this brush. Yeah, I'm clearly struggling. As always, nothing has changed. I'm going in with this from Urban Decay. You have seen this one before. This is my go-to mascara for now. And oh, I forgot to do under my eye. Yeah, so I should apply like a dark red under my eye so it makes my eyes pop. So I'll go in with this eyeshadow. It's from the 2D House palette, the Play Color Eyes, the Coffee Holic. I always get this wrong. Is the Caffeine Holic. Yeah, it's from the Caffeine Holic palette. I love this palette. The colors are super nice and they're not very pigmented, so it's great if you want to create soft looks or if you're a beginner in. Okay, so I'll apply a bit of blush. I'm excited to show you this blush I got back in December. It's from, oh my god, I forgot the name of the store. From the Face Shop. It's this one from their cacao collection. Peach, I think that's her name, right? Yes, it's this one. Focus. So it's this one and it comes with a puff. So it looks like this when you open it. And I like the color too. It's a pastel pink, but it's not super pigmented, so it's great for when you want to create more natural looks. And I'll just apply a lip tint, but one that's not super pigmented. Well, lip tints in general are not super pigmented. So I'll use this one from the BT21 collection with VT Cosmetics. That feels like ages ago. It was in 2018 when they launched this, right? So it's this coral color. And what I like about it is it feels as if it's water based because the formula feels so light on the lips.